you can hold it still. Ooh, don't hold it still. It's hot. Don't hold it. Don't hold it when it's hot. Just kind of hold this knife here so it doesn't move. Don't touch the can, it's hot.
Happy Halloween, everybody.